Basically, we have launched a obesity awareness program for this whole month of November, culminating on December 3rd. It is to bring about awareness in the general public regarding the hazards of obesity and how to reduce obesity. Basically, obesity is a leading health problem across the country, and particularly we as Indians are more prone for metabolic diseases like diabetes and hypertension, which, if linked with obesity, lead to a greater increase in mortality and morbidity in the general public. So by doing this activities regularly, especially in the month of October and November, which is related to the obesity WHO Obesity Day, we want to bring awareness in the people that obesity is not the in thing. They have to fight obesity, and we as medical professionals and the general public have to spread the message that obesity should not be there, and what are the general health rules to be followed to have a healthy lifestyle. This obesity can affect any age group. There is no age limit for this. It can affect the children going to the school. It can affect the youngsters going to the college. It can affect the middle-aged ladies who are at home. It can affect all age groups, and at every age level of age, it has its own bad effects. So for a child with obesity, by the time he becomes an adult, he may be a diabetic. So a obese child with diabetes at a young age has a very bad life prognosis. By the time he is 50 years, he may be having a kidney problem, or he might have had a massive heart attack. So if the child is encouraged to eat a healthy diet and encouraged to exercise and lose weight, at least by the time he is adult, he'll have a healthy body. Similarly, a middle-aged person with obesity, already diabetic, already hypertensive, his quality of life would be poor because he would not be able to take part in daily activities. He may not be able to look after himself. So in our country, where now we are going to nuclear families, if you are obese and sick, then there will be no one to take care of you. So it is better to even have a healthy body even when you are 60 or even 70. Just becoming middle-aged or old age doesn't mean that you should not be healthy. So our main idea is to promote a healthy lifestyle for everyone and to fight against obesity.